subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The popular British heavy equipment manufacturer JCB has launched two new rugged smartphones called JCB Toughphone and Toughphone Max. Among these two, the JCB Toughphone Max is the higher variant, with more features. Now let's have a look at the specifications of the JCB Toughphone Max smartphone. The JCB Toughphone Max features a tall 6.67-inch Full HD Plus display, with Corning Gorilla Glass protection on the top, and it has a hole punch cut out at the top center, that carries a 20-megapixel selfie shooter. The rear panel of the phone houses a quad camera setup in a circular module at the top center, that includes a 48-megapixel main camera, along with the 16-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, plus 2-megapixel macro, and a VGA sensor. Under the hood, the JCB Toughphone Max is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 700 chipset, paired with Mali G57MC2 GPU. The smartphone packs with 8 GB of RAM, and 256 GB of onboard storage. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 12 out of the box, and it is equipped by a supermassive 12,200 mAh battery that is said to offer up to 30 days of standby time. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP68 certified for dust and water resistance, and it is also military standard 810G compliant. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, NFC, and a Type-C charging port. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The JCB Toughphone Max is now available for purchase at a price of £600. So, what do you guys think of this JCB Toughphone Max smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below. And stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.